This groundbreaking and the opening of the therapeutic park is very significant because it is one of the new features of local government in terms of putting in the kind of comfort to keep our residents, occupied and to give them a sense of purpose.
I am proud to announce to the public that you can now review building permit applications and approvals online at the KSAMC website.
It is the intention of the government to do as much as we can to take persons off the streets of the country. This year, we took a bold decision, and for the first time, the YSEP program will be catering for 10,000 young people right across Jamaica. The municipalities have been extending themselves significantly to house homeless persons. We saw earlier on where information has been coming into the radio system about events taking place, and we were able to communicate in a meaningful way. For the first time, the organization, the ADPEM, has been placed in this position with the kind of advanced technology that we just saw in operation.
Between the NSWMA and the NWA, $1.3 billion has been allocated to be able to go right across Jamaica and deal with these issues of areas being waterlogged and deal with the issues of the collection of bulky waste, which contributes to the breeding sites for vectors.
So we're going to be providing some igloo, some ice, some food package, some tarpaulins, and some little solar lamp to assist you. Any roof that you have to put on, using ply and zinc or whatever, those approval process is going to insist that hurricane straps must be used to secure the roof. This is an obligation, this is a responsibility of local government to provide indigent housing solutions through the Poor Relief Department and the various municipalities. And we have built more than 100 of these housing solutions across Jamaica. Right here in Westmoreland, We have spent over $30 million